Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we got a little bit of a mixed bag out here. The Russell is the only U.S. indice trading lower. It's off by 2 points. Otherwise, we've got the Dow up 103, the S&P 12, the NASDAQ 100 up 37. Those are about 0.3% to the upside. Semis are up 1 3/10%. They're up $40, trading out at 30.64. Trannies are up 0.4%. Spot volatility index is trading out at 1851, still below its 50-day exponential moving average. Gold's up $8. Silver is off 7 pennies. Light sweet crude 2 cents. Let's go take a look at our 9-panel charts out here. We begin by looking at the S&P 500 via the ES Mini. We can see that price yesterday tested and rejected key level of support. That was the bottom of that daily profile. Still continues to make 41.52 a very key level to observe. If, in fact, we see the ES Mini close above 41.72 today. We're at 41.72 right now. It's sitting on its point of control, so this is where both buyers and sellers believe there's fair value. But if price can close above this, and I would say maybe let's call it 41.80, 79 might work, that would be a signal of price getting up to the 42.01 level. Now, that's very, very much a possibility as we take a look at that spot volatility index. That tested and rejected its 50-day exponential moving average yesterday, the same today, this morning. So that puts things in a bullish condition for the S&P 500. If we take a look at the NQ, what did the NQ do yesterday? The NQ completed a measured move to the downside. You can see the consolidation. That's the first yellow rectangle up on top. When you break a consolidation in either direction, you typically see a move equal to or greater than the consolidation. In essence, that's what took place yesterday in the NQ. Now, the NQ didn't make a bottoming signal necessarily, but a pause certainly makes sense. And it could be a bottom, but I don't have a bottoming pattern per se. If we take a look at U.S. dollar index back inside its daily profile, it did form a TD9 count bottom. Very likely price is going to target the 91.75 to 91.90 area. That's the top of its bearish structured profile. If that's the case, we won't see gold break out of its consolidation as it travels between 17.98 as resistance and 17.58 as support. Silver, it gave us a glimpse of a potential A to B equals C to the upside. And likely that's going to form, but don't expect much until we see the U.S. dollar index top out here. Light sweet crude, very likely get a target 68.06. The natural gas contract struggling at its descending trend line, and the U.S. Treasury, the 30-year Treasury, consolidating between 157.13 and 158.18. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show, but if you have to start your Wednesday, do me a favor. Have a wonderful one. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We'll see you soon.